Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting here. I am homesick today, so you get me in video form today. I'm going to start with an announcement. Your mid-unit assessment, also known as test, is going to be next week Tuesday, which is October 9th. Today at the end of class, you're going to get this review packet, and this is going to be homework for the next several days. So tonight, you're going to do these 3 problems that say Tuesday homework. And then on Wednesday, you'll do the ones that say Wednesday. Thursday, you'll do the ones that say Thursday. And then Friday in class, we're going to do the last little chunk. These review problems are all cool downs or practice problems. Start by completing the problems without using your workbook, and then if you get stuck, look back at the lesson the problem was from, but not at your answer to the problem yet. You're going to have 3 or 4 problems to do as homework Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday we'll do the last 4 problems in class, and we will check and correct the whole packet. If that date ends up changing because of me getting sick, I will let you know. Alright, we're going to go over the do now. There's 1 response so far, and that 1 response is me. So on your homework from yesterday, page 61, which triangles had a correct base and height pair identified? A, B, D, and F. What was the area for 2A? 2A was 12, 2B was 16, 2C was 12, and then the formula for area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. Okay, grab your handy dandy red pen. So I will be checking your homework, giving you credit for it when I'm back tomorrow. So I should see what you wrote in pencil, and then if you had to make corrections, that should be in red pen. So for number 1, all the drawings that had a corresponding height for the given base, A was correct, because there's my 90-degree angle. B has a 90-degree angle. C has a 90-degree angle, but it's not with the base and the height. D, there's my 90-degree angle. E, it has a 90-degree angle, but it's not with the base and the height. And F, there's my 90-degree angle. Okay, so then for 2A, this was my base, this was my height. 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 2. Don't forget about that, divided by 2 is 12. B, 8 times 4 is 32, divided by 2 gives us 16. And then C, 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. And then how is the area related to the base and its corresponding height? The area is base times height divided by 2. Okay, first and second hour yesterday, you highlighted the summary 4th and 7th hour. We didn't get to it. So if you have not highlighted this yet, grab a highlighter and do this. And if you have, well then you don't need to highlight it again. So we could choose, this is on page 59. We can choose any of the 3 sides of a triangle to call the base, and then the height is that perpendicular segment that shows how tall it is, and then highlight your base and your height, and your base and your height, and your base and your height. So pause the video if you need to. And then on the next page, it gives us the formula. We're also going to write it as area equals base times height divided by 2 because we prefer it this way. So write that down. Okay, if you are in 4th and 7th hour and you did not do the lesson 9 cool down yesterday, I need you to pause the video, get your cool down packet, do the cool down, and then press play again on the video. If you are in 1st or 2nd hour and you did the cool down yesterday, then we're just going to check it again. Okay, so you needed to pick a base and a height. You could have used 3 and 6 or 7.2 and 2.5. They both would give you 9 square inches. So this is base times height divided by 2 gives me 9. And for B, you could have used 6 and 4 or 5 and 4.8. They're both going to give you 12. You're doing base times height divided by 2. Okay, that's it for this video. Go back to Google Classroom and click on the next thing.